So welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos, become member and enjoy the benefits. Why? Why you can see that the price of the Bitcoin price drops here to the downside. In the membership, I mentioned this, that the price will go here to the downside. So the people who had the membership have now a lot of money because they had the information here, 126,000, and you can see nearly 30,000 plus if they short the Bitcoin price. Yeah. So, and now we're staying here at this level. What will happen next? Um, I'm honest to you, we have here a difficult situation. The, uh, the main information here, why this is so difficult, is that we have here a strong base here at these levels. So the first strategy is, let's take this as a fake outbreak. Yeah. And let's say, okay, we will go to higher levels like this. Yeah. This was a fake outbreak. Now imagine we build this strategy or the movement like this. Yeah. And if this is happening, you see we have a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, then higher levels are possible. That means we could reach here the 150,000. Yeah. Why? You can see also we have a good uptrend to higher levels like this. Yeah. So that we can say, okay, this was a fake outbreak. Now, if we're looking to general, then we could get the higher level price here, 150,000 in March 2026. Yeah. There's only one strategy. Yeah. If this is right or not, you can see this in my membership, Wolf Bitcoin Club or Wolf and Price Target membership. I give you the solution or what I think in which direction that can go. Yeah, it's only for people here in the free channel what can happen, but the real information you get in the memberships. So let's say, okay, this is not a fake outbreak. So it is a real outbreak to the downside. Then the possibility two is that we test here in this level to test here this base. And finally, then break here to the downside like this. That we get here massive movement April 2026. Is that the solution? Also here, I refer to my membership Wealth and Price Target and Bitcoin Club. Let's look to the first strategy. If we say, okay, this is our uptrend, we have a wonderful channel here. And let's look to this. We can say, okay, we test this level here 1, 2, 3 times. So it have to go a little bit to the downside and test these levels. And finally, a break here a little bit earlier to the downside. Yeah. It's also possible. Yeah. But if we zoom in, then we see a total chaos. That means, let me look, we have a downtrend. This is the low area of this downtrend, and you can see what kind of information we have here. It's a little bit interesting. Look, we are exactly at levels of 50, 60. We're staying here exactly in the middle, and we have a place to higher levels like this, 108,000, and we have a little place at 90,000 like this. This is a typical information for really a big crash. Yeah. If you see something like that. Yeah. So you see, I tell you a little bit more information here, but more information in the membership Bitcoin Club. So calculate that we go a little bit to the downside, but there are levels. Look here at 108,000. So if I say the price will go here to the downside, 96,000, imagine due to the manipulation we going to this place, 110,000, then complete new situation is arise, so that we could go through this left shoulder head and the right shoulder to 120,000. So it is danger, but if we're looking here at the moment to the 1 minute chart, then we can see that the uptrend is a little bit over, yeah. But you see, our borders are not so much away. So let's see what will happen. But in general, I see at the moment for the Bitcoin price negativity. Yeah. The reason is you can see we have here our base and we are below this base. So we have two options. One is retesting and one is break to the upside. Both are possible at the moment. You can see both are possible, but the exact information you get in the membership of M price target and Bitcoin. Have a nice day.